Cancer was never a single disease. It was never one enemy you could target, poison, or burn away. Cancer is a moving genetic landscape, a population of cells that evolves faster than almost any therapy designed to stop it. At its core, cancer begins with mutations. Small errors in DNA replication, sometimes one base pair, sometimes entire chromosomal rearrangements. Most of these errors mean nothing, but a few alter critical genes that control cell division, DNA repair, and programmed cell death. Once those control systems fail, cells stop obeying biological rules. They divide without permission. They ignore signals to stop. They evade apoptosis, the self-destruct program built into healthy cells. But here is the real problem. As cancer grows, it does not stay genetically uniform. Every division introduces new mutations. Within a single tumor, there may be thousands of genetically distinct subclones, each responding differently to treatment. This is why chemotherapy and radiation so often fail. They do not correct genetic errors. They simply apply stress. Sensitive cells die. Resistant cells survive and dominate the next generation. This is not accidental. It is natural selection happening inside the human body. Targeted drugs improved precision, but the principle remained the same. Block one protein, and cancer reroutes the signal. Inhibit one pathway, and another takes over. Cancer adapts because its information, its DNA, remains corrupted. For decades, medicine fought cancer at the level of symptoms. Division, growth, metabolism. But the real disease was always written deeper in the genetic code itself. And this is why cancer appeared unbeatable. Not because we lacked powerful drugs, but because we were never editing the source, only suppressing the output. To defeat a system that evolves, you must intervene at the level of information. That realization marked a turning point in oncology. Not a new drug, not a stronger toxin, but a new category of medicine, one that treats cancer as a genetic software error, not a chemical imbalance. And that is where part 2 begins.
Cancer is no longer treated like an enemy to be poisoned. It is now hunted by living medicine, viruses, immune cells, and genetic tools that learn how cancer hides and stop it. Oncolytic viruses selectively infect and replicate within cancer cells, causing them to burst and reveal themselves to the immune system. Engineered immune cells, like CAR-T and CRNK cells, are reprogrammed to recognize cancer like a fingerprint, multiplying to seek out and destroy malignant cells. CRISPR gene editing removes genetic breaks from immune cells, making them more resilient and potent in the fight against cancer. Beyond destruction, research explores reprogramming cancer cells, altering their gene activity to normalize their division and behavior. AI-guided therapy uses digital tumor models to adapt treatments, leading to the collapse of the tumor system. Cancer will not disappear tomorrow, but it is no longer unbeatable. For the first time, medicine is learning faster than the disease, and that changes everything.